When it comes to increasing your home's value, upgrading your doors might not be the first improvement that comes to mind. However, high-quality door installation can have a surprisingly significant impact on your home's aesthetics, energy efficiency, security, and overall market value. If you're a homeowner in Kendall, partnering with the best door installation services ensures you make the most of this upgrade while boosting your property's appeal and worth. Here's how professional door installation can enhance your Kendall home's value and why choosing the right service provider matters. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A beautifully designed and expertly installed door creates a strong first impression, setting the tone for the rest of your property. Upgrading to a modern, stylish door can complement your home's architecture. The best door installation services offer a variety of styles and finishes to match your home's design, whether it's traditional, modern, or coastal. Improve aesthetic balance. A professionally installed door fits perfectly, enhancing the overall symmetry and look of your home. Increase buyer interest. If you're planning to sell, an attractive entryway can immediately captivate potential buyers and make your property stand out in Kendall's competitive market. Better energy efficiency. Kendall's warm, humid climate means energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Old or poorly installed doors can allow air leaks, leading to higher energy bills. Modern energy-efficient doors, installed by experts, offer superior insulation. Insulated cores and weather stripping keep indoor temperatures stable, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Savings on energy bills. A professionally installed energy-efficient door can lower energy costs, a feature that appeals to both current homeowners and potential buyers. Environmentally friendly living. Reducing energy consumption helps minimize your home's carbon footprint, aligning with the growing demand for eco-conscious properties. Increased security. A door is your home's first line of defense, and a sturdy, well-installed door enhances safety and peace of mind. Professional door installation services ensure your doors are secure and functional, offering reinforced frames. High-quality installation includes reinforced frames to prevent forced entry. Advanced locks. Experts can incorporate modern locking systems, such as smart locks or multi-point mechanisms, for added protection. Impact resistance. In Kendall, where hurricanes are a concern, properly installed impact-resistant doors provide an extra layer of safety. Enhanced security is a major selling point for buyers and a worthwhile investment for homeowners. Noise reduction. Living in a bustling area like Kendall means outdoor noise can sometimes disrupt your indoor peace. Modern doors, especially those with solid cores or multiple layers of insulation, reduce noise transfer. A quiet, serene environment is highly desirable and adds value to your home. Long-lasting durability. The best door installation services in Kendall use top-quality materials designed to withstand the local climate. Durable materials such as fiberglass, steel, or impact-resistant glass ensure your door retains its functionality and beauty for years to come. Longevity reduces maintenance costs and enhances the home's overall value. Boosting resale value. Upgrading your doors offers one of the best returns on investment for home improvement projects. A well-installed, stylish, and energy-efficient door makes your property more appealing to buyers and justifies a higher asking price. Research shows that replacing a front door can provide a return on investment, ROI, of up to 75–90%, depending on the type and quality of the door. Professional installation makes the difference. While door quality matters, the installation process is equally crucial. Poorly installed doors can lead to gaps, misalignment, and even structural issues, undermining your investment. Working with experienced door installation services in Kendall ensures precision fit. Expert measurements and adjustments prevent air leaks, water intrusion, and other problems. Proper sealing. Professional installers use high-quality weather stripping and caulking for maximum efficiency and durability. Customization. The best services offer tailored solutions, from unique designs to specialty features like hurricane-rated doors. Tailored options for Kendall homes. Professional door installation services understand Kendall's unique needs. They can recommend materials and styles suited to the local climate and aesthetic preferences, such as hurricane-resistant doors. These provide protection during storm season while enhancing your home's value and safety. UV-resistant finishes. Doors with UV-resistant coatings maintain their appearance in Kendall's sunny environment. Coastal designs. Sleek, modern designs that reflect the area's vibrant, tropical atmosphere appeal to homeowners and buyers alike. Conclusion. Elevating your Kendall home's value. Replacing your doors is more than just a functional upgrade. It's an investment that enhances your Kendall home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and market value. By working with the best door installation services, you ensure that every detail is executed to perfection, maximizing your return on investment and creating a space you're proud to call home. Ready to transform your Kendall home with a high-quality door installation? Contact a trusted local service provider today and take the first step toward boosting your property's value and style.